Taiwan, with its courage, is protecting freedom.
今年，台湾驻加拿大办事处举行国庆晚会，会中加拿大布朗谢议员表示，并不是国际社会在保护台湾，而是台湾凭借着勇气，正在守护世界的自由。
Quite often we speak about Taiwan in terms of helping Taiwan, protecting Taiwan, supporting Taiwan, as if our help was necessary or required somehow. And what if it was the opposite? What if Taiwan is the stronghold of the free world at the very door of the most dangerous foe on the planet? We are not the international community protecting Taiwan. Taiwan, with its courage, is protecting freedom. And since we are here, puisqu'on est tous ici, why not instead not applaud to say thank you to Taiwan, to be our ally, and to contribute to protect the freedom that we all cherish. Thank you.